Did you know that a black woman's secret math work made it possible for astronauts to reach the moon? In 1949, Evelyn Boyd Granville became one of the first African-American women to earn a math PhD. But here's what most people don't know. She was the hidden genius behind America's space missions. Working at IBM and NASA, Granville hand-calculated the complex math that determined when rockets should launch, what path they should take, and how astronauts could safely return to Earth. Her precise calculations made sure John Glenn could orbit our planet and come home alive. Later, her work guided Apollo missions all the way to the moon and back. But Granville faced double discrimination. She was black and female in the 1950s. She often worked as the only person like her in rooms full of white men. While her male colleagues got public praise, she worked in the shadows, even though her mathematical innovations became the foundation for all modern space exploration. Without Evelyn Boyd Granville's brilliant mind, we might never have reached the stars.